From crossroads to halfway tree, they journeyed across the city in search of those unable to find a shelter ahead of Hurricane Melissa. Along the way, they met at least a dozen people still on the plazas, unsure of where they would spend the night. As they waited, one challenge stood out above all: hunger. There was simply no food.
We were talking to them, and I think one of the main reasons why they decided not to go into the shelters is because they think that they wouldn't be getting any food to eat.
That's when the newsroom, led by Shamela Pullen and Rashida Walker, became a blessing, a true godsend, that even for a moment, these individuals were fed and reminded that they are not forgotten.
Finished serving some homeless people hot meals, and now we're heading back to TVJ. Just remember that we are live on air at Television Jamaica. We are giving you updates every hour on the hour about Hurricane Melissa. And remember that we also have our newscast at 7, so stay tuned.
In the end, smiles replaced worry. They didn't have much to give, but they were grateful for the chance to touch a few lives. With a ray of hope, I'm Hal Shane Burke.